Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic arrays commander, how to draw ellipse. In arrays commander, you can use two options to draw ellipse. You can go to ellipse icons and click on drop down menu. For the first, you can draw from center, and the second, we can draw from edge. So here I will use center. Specify for center point, I will click in here. Now we can set for the radius in horizontal, I will set into 5. Press enter again. And then we can set in vertical, like I will set into 2,5 and press enter. The second, we can draw by using X. So you can click in here, move to drag. In here you can set into diameter, like I will set into 10 for diameter. And then move again to the top here. I will set radius into 2,5. Press enter. Okay, that's it for basic arrays commander, how to draw ellipse. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.